In this guide, I'll show you how to delete all screenshots and videos on your Nintendo Switch 2. So from the home menu, scroll down and select System Settings. Then on the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Data Management. So you want to scroll over and scroll down to the bottom in this section and select Manage Screenshots and Videos. So here, if you scroll down in this section, you'll be able to find your system memory, and you'll have the option to delete all screenshots and videos in your system memory here. So it'll give you this little warning that when you delete it, you won't be able to recover it, so you can select that if you'd like. What I also recommend you do is go back, and here you'll be able to delete any screenshots and videos if you have a micro SD card in your Switch 2. Now, if you scroll down to Upload Settings, you may also have screenshots and videos in the cloud if you do have that set up. So you can also go to Delete Uploads here as well to get rid of them off the server. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.